Assembling Ikea Ekby Alex Drawer. When the Eckby Alex Drawer arrived, it arrived in a box like this. It's actually quite long. The reason behind this is I wanted an extra drawer on top of my Alex drawer, on top of which is a linen table. So there we unboxed. All the contents had to be removed from the box, and then it came with a manual. Okay, so again, that's made sure that indeed this was the Eckby Alex. It's 119 by 129 centimeters. And then all the materials that came in the box were then placed on top of a work table on the veranda so that it's easier for us to assemble them later on. I highly suggest that you put all stuff that looks the same together so that it's easy for you to identify the different parts as you try to assemble the Eckby Alex Drawer. Again, everything that needs to be used to assemble this Eckby Alex Drawer is already included in the box, including all the notions, the nuts and bolts, and everything in between that you need, even including the sliders, the metal sliders. Inside the manual, you will see the number of items for each of the nuts and bolts inside. You can even actually compare the actual size to the photo in case you get confused. The only thing that didn't come in the box is a hammer, which you will actually use, and a screwdriver. Again, these are the things, the sliders, the metal sliders for the drawers. There's 4 sets. Okay, so the first thing we did was to follow everything that's in the manual, so it will tell you which one to do first, then second, and so on and so forth. So we just simply followed everything that's in the manual. It's very easy to identify what's next. It's like just building a Lego. They tell you which part, even the dimension and the code in each of the steps in the manual. The manual does not have words in it, but really photos or images of the different parts and how to actually assemble it. So it's very easy to understand. Even my 13-year-old son was actually helping us out in the whole process of assembling this Eckby Alex Drawer. The hands of the woman you would see here is actually that of Yaya Madelyn, because as most of you know, Mommy Lala has very weak hands. It's not that easy. It's not that difficult though to put this together, but still you need a bit of a force. Okay, so there. This time, this one is the base. We're assembling. Okay, this one's for the door of the drawers. All right, so now you see the frame of the drawers come to life. So you see the door, and then the 2 sides of the drawer, and then the last part will be placed on top. Okay, and then this one is actually the almost finished look of the actual holder of the drawers. This is basically your Eckby Alex Drawer without the back panel attached. Okay, so attach the back panel. It came with this piece of wood that you just simply put nails into. Even the nails were included in the pack. Only the hammer, okay, needed to be inserted. Again, this was Yaya Madelyn hammering away. And now we had to go back to the drawers to finish it up by simply sliding onto the grooves the base of the drawers like so. Okay, again, that's my son helping Yaya Madelyn. And finally, putting the back side of the drawers came last, like so. Okay, to secure it a little bit. Okay, some kind of plastic nails, I don't know exactly what you call it, were placed in and hammered in onto the holes inside. Okay, same thing is done. Okay, so you just make sure that you push those two sides together. Okay, and there it is. Okay, so now we finish up putting the sliders onto the base of the Eckby Alex Drawer. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 per drawer. And this is how the finished product looked like. This is the back. And this is now the finished product on top of my Linman table. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you like what you've seen so far, please, I hope that you'd consider liking and subscribing and hitting that notification bell. Till the next video, bye!